நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க. 12th December. Which countries have joined the diplomatic boycott of Beijing Winter Olympics? Australia, Canada and United Kingdom. Which country has fined Amazon for $1.3 billion for abusing of market dominance? Italy. Which new app has been launched by Ministry of Education? Bhasha Sangam. Fitch Ratings has estimated India's GDP to be at what percent by the financial year 2022? At 8.4%. Who has won the Young Geospatial Scientist Award? Rupesh Goyal. Extra question from GK. The Kaluveli wetland has been declared as the 16th bird sanctuary of which state? Of Tamil Nadu. 13th December. When will India launch its manned space mission Unch Gangayaan? At 2023. The Chief Minister of which state has laid the foundation stone of Technical Ammonium Nitrate Complex? Odisha. Where will Niti Aayog will set up 1000 Atal Tinkering Laboratories? At Jammu and Kashmir. Which payment bank has been given the status of scheduled bank by Reserve Bank of India? Paytm Payment Bank. In which state Rehab project has been started? At Assam. Who has won Miss Universe 2021 Crown of India after 21 years? Harnaaz Sandhu. 14th December. Which state government has implemented commissionerate system for its two cities? Madhya Pradesh. IBM Crop launched a client innovation center in which city? Mysore. Which campaign has been launched by the Department of Justice? Telelaw on Wheels. Who is the author of the book titled Modern India? Pomana Dalal Daya. Tata Motors has been partnered with which bank to finance scheme? Bank of India. Extra question from GK. Which state government has launched the first kind of road safety Rakshak? Odisha. 15th December. Which country has hosted the first summit of democracy? United States of America. Who inaugurated the exhibition on Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Which space agency has launched a new X-ray mission from Kennedy Space Center, Florida? NASA. Who has written the book Public Service Ethics? Prabhat Kumar. Which bank has launched Android app for the differently abled employees? PNB. Extra question from GK. Who has topped the Global Health Security Index of 2021? It's USA. 16th December. ADB has approved how many million USD to improve India's urban services? About 350 USD. In which state 5 drone schools will be opened? At Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the independent director of Kotak Mahindra Bank? Ashish Yash. Which state is the most beneficiaries under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana? Maharashtra. In which state the traditional buffalo race Kambala been organized? Karnataka. Extra question from sports. Who has won the FIDE World Chess Championship? Magnus Carlsen. 17th December. Who has launched the Passport to Earning Platformer of the Youth? UNICEF. Who has tied up with IAF to accelerate the indigenization effort? IIT Delhi. Whereas DRDO successfully test-fired the supersonic missile-assisted torpedo at Odisha. ADB has estimated India's GDP to be at what percent in the fiscal year 2022? At 9.7%. Who has taken over the CEO of Children's Film Society of India? Ravinder Bhagar. Extra question from GK. Who has been named as the Time Magazine's of 2021 Person of the Year? Elon Musk. 18th December, Saturday. Which country has launched Shijan 605 satellite for space exploration? China. Which state has received the National Energy Conservation Award? Rajasthan. Where has 24th International Seminar on Plantation Crops started? At Kochi. Who has recently released the book Principles and Practices of Oncology? Jagdish Mukhi. Which state has received rupees 700 crores from the Japan Agency for the Development of Tourism? At Meghalaya. Extra question from GK. Mithali Makhana of which state has given the GI tag? பீகார். ஸோ இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான் நண்பா. இந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு ரெகுலரான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் நம்ம வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் லிங்க் இருக்குது, மறக்காமல் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் நீங்கள் இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலாம், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் இல்லைன்னு இட்ஸ் பை ஃப்ரம் மிஸ்டர் ஃபினிக்ஸ். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் நண்பா.